In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Adobe Sign step by step. We'll walk through how to send a document for signature, how to sign one when it arrives in your inbox, and how to track everything from start to finish. By the end, you'll feel comfortable moving a document from draft to done with zero printing or scanning. Let's start with sending a document for signature. Open your browser, go to Adobe Acrobat Sign, and sign into your account. On the main dashboard, look for the option labeled Request Signatures. This is the doorway to the full workflow. Click it, and you'll be prompted to add your file. Choose Add Files, then upload your PDF, whether it's a contract, a form, or another agreement. Next, add your recipient or recipients by entering their email addresses. If you're working with more than one person, decide whether they need to sign in a specific order or can sign at the same time. Use signing in order when one person's approval needs to come before the others. Use signing at the same time when sequence doesn't matter and you want to move faster. Before you send, click Preview and Add Fields. This is where you place the interactive fields the recipient will complete. Drag a signature field to the correct line, then add supporting fields like date and name where they belong. Take a moment to align them neatly. Zooming in can help with precision. When everything looks good, click Send. Your recipient will receive an email with a secure link, and you'll be able to watch the status update as they open, sign, and complete the document. Now let's switch to the signing experience from the recipient's side. Open the email you receive and click Review and Sign. The document will open directly in your browser, so there's no software to install. Review the content, then click the highlighted signature field. You'll be prompted to create your signature. You can type your name and choose a style, draw your signature with a mouse or touchpad, or upload an image of your signature if you have one ready. Click Apply to place it. To finish, select Click to Sign. That's it. The signed document is automatically routed to all parties, and you'll get confirmation that everything is complete. Finally, to keep track of your documents, go to the Manage tab. Here you can quickly see which items are in progress, which are completed, and which are still waiting for signature. If something is stalled, send a friendly reminder right from this page to nudge things along. That's the full process, end to end. Try it with a test document to get comfortable, and you'll be sending and signing with confidence in no time.